Hey y'all, it's Charity. Today I am pressing a Cricut t-shirt. Look like my husband managed to get one that was reused, but hopefully it's all good. So far so clean. What I'm about to do is size my 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Because I'm not sure if I want to use the technique that I used in the last video that makes this larger, or just I'm gonna go for it. I'm going to do the poster style printing of this image, and I'll be back to show you how that presses. So you can always size, you know what I'm saying, size your shirt and your paper together to see if you want to, do something to make it bigger. Probably 2 of those versus just the one. So I'm excited. All right, and I'll print that and I'll be back. This is my 2 printed sheets with my design. This is more landscape than portrait, so it'll pretty much be most of the shirt. So I'm gonna just cut it. Like how I did my other one, cut this white strip off and then tape them together with my heat tape. I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show you how I do my shirts. Again, a quick pre-press, not long. I've already taped my image up at the seams. It's 2 separate sheets of paper, left and right. Again, I've shown you how to do this on my last video. So it would be pretty much self-explanatory to kind of line this up in the middle. Let me see. I'm gonna turn my shirt the opposite way. Just because of my heat press in particular, I know that right up in here it's off, and with colors this vibrant, I really don't want to mess it up. And it's my mom's birthday shirt tomorrow, or right now actually, because it's after 12, but she's 47. So yeah, and she's gonna have a half day at work. So she needs to do so fashionably. Let's see. I'm gonna actually position it a little bit over more this way, because hoping this is all still on it the same. So it kind of starts here. Let's see. And I can kind of use the light to tell. So yeah. And I guess, like I said, it's self-explanatory. You're using 2 sheets. The middle part is where you are obviously going to line it up. And with the V-neck, it makes it a little easier. Uh-oh, hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm back with my parchment paper. Be sure you cover the full distance. Again, you can also put a sheet on the inside. I'm not going to, because I'm sometimes afraid that, and again, this is my regular settings, 430 for me, 150 for me, normal pressure. So I'll come back once this is done to show you the finished product. As I was saying, you can put parchment paper on the inside, and that's supposed to prevent transfer. So we'll see how this goes. I have about 120 seconds, so I'll be back then. Okay, all about 10 seconds out. I'm a little nervous because I didn't really check for lint or anything, and this was a recycled or repackaged shirt from Michael's, but let's see. You can see it through the shirt. Ooh, y'all look. Look. Oh, she is beautiful. Let's bring her a little closer. Yeah. I love Sublimation. Hold on. Hi, Aries. For reasons like this, look at that. Look at that. It's my mom's birthday. It's my mom's birthday. Okay, but this is it, y'all. Cricut shirt. I'd say get them not now while they are $4 versus their typical $9.99. So far, these are my favorite shirts to use just because of the thickness. I do plan on trying out a few others, but this one feels most cotton-like. Oh, and I'm here with the kids. Say hey, y'all.
Hey.
Hey. So I love it. I love it. All right, y'all. Holla. Bye.
Bye.
Finished product. My son on the lights.
Yep. And this new Aries here.
And Eris is here.
And Elsa's outside in the backyard.
And Elsa's outside. And yep, there's Lux. Yep. Glad this shirt is for you, Granny.
Yep.
Okay, y'all.